Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good afternoon. Such a beautiful, beautiful afternoon. I got mail, two mails in the box. So let's see this one. I am guessing. What is this? What? Oh, wow. Oh, I didn't ask white. This. Look at it. Oh my goodness. This is white. If I wear it, I will be so dirty. Baleaf. What is the size of this one? Didn't mention. There must be somewhere. This is a medium size. Feels quite very elastic and quite thick, quite dense. I didn't ask this one. Maybe they are just extra nice. This is a winner unboxing, so it's from Baleaf, the company. Now let's see this. Ooh, it's better to peel it fast, right? So let's see this one. This plastic bag is pretty good. I can keep on using it. Oh, this is a blue color. And this is kind of this one is longer. I do not like short one, and this one seems longer. Do not show my belly button. I do not like to show off my skin. And this one is the back. This is the front. I feel they are a little bit learning from another brand, have a teeny tiny small little brand on the very discreet place. And it feels, I like this one. This they have black color, green color, blue color, and I feel this one is not transparent, so will be pretty good. And the bra is right in place. Yeah, that is good. Yes, it's the here is kind of a mesh, and here the workmanship is quite good actually. Okay, let's see the other one. Oh, they give me a white color. I was asking a black color, but maybe I wrote it down, whatever reason. You cannot complain if you have, if this one is for free. And this is yoga pants. And this company is promoting yoga stuff. So I am going to try it and see how it works. Everything is medium size. Pocket on the side. I got passion in my pocket. Yeah. Let's do it. It looks quite good quality, don't you think so? Okay, see you later, alligator. Okay, let's take a look. I think it's quite comfortable. It's good for young people and for 60 years old woman. And that's about it. And very easy to move around. And I think in yoga you need to do this. I don't know how to do yoga. Maybe you need to do yoga. And it's very, very elastic, very comfortable. And I put the sound the other direction. Okay. I did a lot of jumping and everything. I just realized I didn't open up. So this one, I put the top on top of it, and it's relatively short. If you do not have the inner one, it may show your belly button or something. And it's a style, I think. The leg is very easy to move. You can see, very easy to move. I don't think my action is yoga action, but take this one out. And this is the top. You can see this is the top. I use medium size, so it's a little bit not too tight. I heard people buy yoga pants, yoga clothes, 3 or 4 sizes smaller. I do not feel comfortable with that. This is a little bit too low. I would like to up to here. So if that is your preference, you can put a scarf or just empower yourself. Very comfortable. Yeah, very comfortable to move. Thank you very, very, very much. I love you. I really do. Do. Not bad at all. Not bad. Not bad at all.